have my... Oh, I don't like having to take the Christmas decorations down, and it won't be just yet, but... Why do they have to come down on the 6th of January? Why can't they stay up later, longer? Oh, some people, they leave them up until April. Some people do, they leave their decorations up until April. What do we think about that? Oh. It says M&S, but I'm sure these are made by Thornton's. I recognise them. And these are lovely, these ones. Oh, they're delicious. There we are. She looks nice. This one's hair's longer than the one I got originally. She looks good in that outfit, I think. They all look good in their outfits.
See what works, what doesn't work, what appeals to different audiences, and think about how we shape things not only on iPad, but across the whole of the
This is a light I got from Tesco a few years ago. This Christmas light is still working. It's the Dolly's Christmas tree. Shame this has to come down soon, my Christmas tree. They're very dark, aren't we? Oh, look at Annalise Christabel in her new outfit. That top actually looks quite good with these things, so yeah, I think she can have this. So that's another outfit, so she's got more than one now. And she can wear her original outfit over that top, so some for a change. So there, that's okay then. So she's sorted out now with something else. Poor little somebody's coming all icy. It's so wet. I didn't know she was humped up on the step and got all wet now. Poor little back's all wet and it's all cold. All out there. Poor little paws. Let's get you dry. Let's get you dry. Oh, dearie me. Poor little somebody. Dry your little face first. Oh, don't. Funny little paws. Oh dear. Like a little horse with a coat on. Get yourself dry. I mean, we can't have my bed all damp. I can't have my bed damp with a funny little wet cat. No, I can't. I didn't know it was raining out there. I would have brought you come down to see earlier. How many hours have you been out there? Hey? Oh, little miserable paws. Oh dear. Oh, she doesn't like to be made fun of. It's not right, is it? It's not right to make fun of a poor little cat. Oh dear. Good rub down. That's what we need, a good rub down, yes, a good rub down to get yourself dry. Oh. Oh, little paws, I think that's better, but it's only slightly damp now. That'll do, that's enough. Oh, that's like rake the fleas out onto my bed. Oh, dear. Something different. Cranberries on top. Like that. La 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 la. Waitrose haul. Waitrose smooth and savoury leek and potato cup of soup. It's quite nice. These from my little friend. Cat foods. These. Oh, Tarellini multigrain and seeds, Italian savoury biscuits. So they look quite nice. These are reduced. Chestnut and celery seed wheat biscuits. And caraway and 5-seed wholemeal biscuits. Caraway and 5-seed wholemeal biscuits reduced. Chestnut and celery seed. Let's try some of these. These look quite nice. Tarellini are a classic snack from Puglia, made with local extra virgin olive oil and local white wine. The rings of dough are first baked and then baked, first boiled and then baked till crisp. Delicious with a glass of wine. Where's the good ingredients? Look, sprout and rye, barley, sesame seeds. Oh, nice. These smell nice. Vanilla breeze candle. This was from Carp. That smells very, very nice. This is a really, really nice one. So a little bit sour. Yeah, nice. There we go. There. Oh, how the dollies start falling down.
One of the things that you can do to make yourself a better gardener,
dear.
and now we've got the internet to make research.
Love such stuff. Funny little paws. Yes, I'm back. Tesco bags are back. Oh, Paul. Oh, what did I bring my Waitrose cup with? That's ridiculous. Got some more of these from Tesco. The only place you can actually buy baby shams now, it seems. Got some of these from Poundland, chocolate covered coconut chips, which is what I thought I was buying last week. I've got a picture on the screen, I can see myself. I got lip gloss, free lip gloss, and a notebook with Go Girl magazine. I wish you could still buy Juicy Tubes by Lancome. I used to like those. I just want to see what this lip gloss going, these free gifts, and see what this lip gloss is going to be like. Oh no! Ah! Badges, which I don't want. Just wanted a notey book. Right, this is all I'm interested in. I was wanting a lip gloss, and I saw this, and because I can't find the other ones. It's going to be a nice pink. No, I don't like those sort of tops. I like the... I suppose it's slightly angled, but I like the... Juicy Tubes by Lancome's. I hope this is not going to be completely clear. Oh no, it's a nice one. Look at that. Hang on. Can you see that? Hang on. Can you see that? That's a nice colour. Oh, I upset water all over my electric power point earlier and I had to quickly, oh gosh, go in and get it all off. And yeah, this is really a nice one. Yeah, it's a nice, no nice smell from it. I'm not detecting any nice scent. And also, yes, I got it here. Bracelet from, it was reduced to £2 in Tesco. Like a sort of rose gold. It's quite nice. Revlon pierce. I got it in Poundland. Got it in Poundland. Sorry, got it in Poundland. Oh dear, I'm sorry. I don't usually speak like that. I'm a cold. I got it in Poundland. So I'm allergic to saying T's, as my mother used to say. For goodness sake, pronounce a T. Yeah, this is just like a sort of a... Where's the top then? Oh, that's left in the packaging. So I'm still suffering from the effects of this flu type thing. I was not with it and hadn't had any sleep, so yeah, sorry. I'll stop apologising for yourself, for God's sake. Got these from Tesco. This one. And this one. This is the one I thought I bought last. Actually, I've already got, yeah. Maybe that was the one I bought buying last week and then didn't and left it there, or left it in the trolley and forgot to bring it back. Or I don't think I looked at the till receipt. It didn't look like I'd paid for it. But I suppose that is the one. But it's nice. It's got like a sort of rose gold effect in the sparkle. So that's that. I can't have one of those now because I'll hang out in a minute and I'm not going to settle myself here with that. But yeah, so these are the two I got. This is a thicker one than the pink one. I'm sure there's a different width. Yes, that one's thicker. This one's thicker than the pink, the pale pink. Oh, I've got to take the Christmas decorations down tonight, which I'm not looking forward to. Yeah. January the 6th. They come, it's 12th night, isn't it? They come down tonight. So those for you up there, and I've got quite a lot downstairs to take. Quite a lot downstairs has got to come down. Oh. Not good. Not good. I think I can call this one Ariel. I took her wings off because I didn't like them. They were attached on the back and I thought she doesn't need wings. It left her with a hole in her back. They were on like that. And I thought if you want to put anything else on her, like a nice dress or something, you can't with those wings in the way. They should be removable, really, shouldn't they? But she's nice. I got some of these. Alpha and sorbet. Chocolate, Thornton's, which is a shame. Thornton's make, I'm sure it's Thornton's that make them. But anyhow, I've got these. They're nice spring colours. Oh, Fairy's got to go away. Oh, it's a shame that they've got to go away for another year. It is. It's a shame. It's a shame. It is a shame. I don't like having to put everything away. I like these. I like these things and I don't like having to put them away. It's a shame. That's it for another year. Oh, they can stay. That can go away and that can go away and he can stay over there. But oh, it is a shame. It is. I don't like having to put these things away. Came from dear old Woolworths. A lot of things came from dear old Woolworths.
or we might just get a generous or a family.
Accidentally upset a
So
lot
our
of
first
water
stage,
all
we get
over
a
these
sheet of paper,
PowerPoints
gives us
yesterday,
a
and I
real
just
minimal
was about I had to
information on it.
dry everything off.
Perhaps what soil they're
Went
in,
into a box of nail polishes that's here.
Sometimes
I used to have a lot of nail polishes stored up on
get
top
any
of that.
information at all.
Anyway,
Then we get
I'm
a
not
plate of
talking for about
agar,
because I've got a
which
lot
has little
cold
baby
still,
seedlings
so,
in it as well.
or whatever this
And
is,
we
flu. I
start
think it wasn't a
with
flu. I mean, it
really,
wasn't cold. You don't
or
start off
if
cold
we've grown them
with
before,
aching
we
all
start
over.
with our
But
beta
anyhow,
cultures
and the
and
way the
collect
water
these
had
seeds.
fell, it
So you're
jerked
bringing
and it sort of went
a
all
piece of
over everything.
plant
So
back
I had to turn the heater, which is well, it's off now. But I mean, it was. It is on. It cycles off and on. But I had to turn that off.
There's just seed there,
turn
so
these off and unplug. The water had gone down between the plug and the plugs and the sockets as well, so everything had to be white. All the adapter plug had to be all white because you know, oh dear. So anyhow, luckily it was okay, and the nail polish box was all wet at the bottom, but it did dry eventually. So yeah, that was a catastrophe yesterday. Hey, he's come on now. So yes, that's what, you know, I had to switch that off, and so anyhow, luckily, you know, fortunately it's okay, but you have to be so careful. Water and electricity do not mix. I mean, I have to... Well, I put... Anyhow, I've put my jumper on again. Oh dear, sorry about the voice. Got some of this small Harringtons from my little friend. I got from Sainsbury's. The Co-op also sell it. Nice bag from Marks and Spencer's. What did I get from there? Let's have a look. What did I get? Oh, I've got a top from TK Maxx. It was in the sale. Oh dear, I wish this would clear up this flu type thing. I don't know if that is the sort of eau de Nil, you know, I'm always trying to find. I think it's too greyish for eau de Nil. I've got white screen again, so I don't know if you can see me. It's thin. You wouldn't wear it this time of year, not unless you've got a really warm place, which I haven't. Now, what else did I... Where's the other things? I love my... It's Rose Pouchon, an all but name, from Sainsbury's. I got this from... Where did I get that from? Sainsbury's. 60p. Plastic table cover. Elsa and Anna. Where's the other things I've got? Oh yeah, I got those from Sainsbury's. Individually wrapped. They're quite nice. They're soft sponge. I must have a baby sham in a minute. And I tried to get a can of tinned cream, you know, the tinned cream when I was at Sainsbury's. They no longer sell it. The only I came home, went to a local corner shop, and I managed to get some. And my card didn't. Twice I did a, you know, contactless, and it was declined. It was about 10 to 11 at night, and the shop was meant to have closed at 10, but they were still open for some reason because they were cleaning or something. And so anyway, maybe it was their machine. He said it wasn't the machine. And then I tried it a third time by putting the pin in, and it was still declined. So I had to use the cash machine that they actually had in the shop. But then there was a £1.50 charge to draw £20 out, because I had to pay a bill as well. So towards, you know, I pay towards the electric bill. I pay like so much towards it each time, rather than I can't afford to pay it all in one go. Anyhow, I got these, used to be Nestle used to do these cans of cream, now it's Coronation, but still I've got some. But yeah, very expensive, worked out at £1.50 just so I could pay towards that. And then I also got this Thomas the Tank Engine Easter egg and mug when I was in there, because how shall I undo it? If I can undo it. Oh, I wish this would clear up this flu. Oh, I could have done this easier if I'd got the scissors out, but I can't. So they got that. I have to try and resist the urge. I was disappointed in Marks and Spencer's. I wanted some more of that lovely mint, what I believe is made by Thornton's, the box of chocolates, but they don't. She said they only did it for Christmas. I only ever saw one in there that a customer had put back in the wrong place near the checkouts. And so I thought, oh, that's interesting. And I went to go into the store to see where they were kept, to find out how much they were, but I couldn't see any. So I just bought that one. And I'd never seen them in there before, and I never saw them again. So that was just, anyhow, the Thomas the Tank, as you can see. Well, the first one I recorded before I put my jumper on, when we were washed out and the phone was ringing, I said I'm not going to answer that. I recorded it, stopped the recording, and now when I look, it's just completely black. It's just black, and when I play it, there's nothing there, so I don't know what happened there. So there's one that's wasted, so I don't know what I may have been talking about that was, anyhow, it's gone now, so, yeah, oh. Let's look at Ariel in her dress. It looks nice on her. Susie's not happy about it because, she didn't get to wear Ariel's skirt, because I thought I called this one Ariel. I thought that suits her, doesn't it? It matches her hair colour. But Susie's sister, which I've shown you, I can't get her out now. She's wearing it, so Susie's in Alice mode in her box and in an annoyance, and yeah, oh, and the dollies are falling. And welcome to the madhouse. Welcome to the dollhouse. Welcome to the madhouse. I should wait until I'm fully recovered from this before I do any more, because I've just, yeah. Oh, well, I've put my dressing gown on again now, and because I'd forgotten to record these, you see, what with the phone ringing, and it was, the bank couldn't understand why I went into the Nisa shop, I suppose. You know, it's good that they're looking out for me, but for a tiny transaction, I mean, the shop's only a few doors from me, but I don't often use it, so maybe they thought it was unusual or something, I don't know. Anyhow, I got this lip gloss in, I can't even undo it, in TK Maxx. Oh, we'll look at that later. I got this from TK Maxx as well. I'm thinking that is similar to Green Park by Maybelline, the Colorama one, but I don't know what this is called. I think it's one of those sheer ones, unfortunately. It's a bourgeois one. And it looks like it's going to be quite sheer. But then Green Park is a quite sheer one too. This is Sorbet, Diego Dalla Palma by Marks and Sparks. These cover quite well. Or at least I thought it was. Maybe it doesn't then. When I tried the tester in the shop, it covered in one coat. It doesn't look like it's going to. Does not look like it's going to now. Maybe the tester was thicker or something. This one's called Elsa. I wonder if it's named after a Frozen character. Ah, I don't know. So yeah, that looks like I can't even talk. Looks like it might be one coat. Oh. Here we are, about, well, it'll be the 7th of January and the first Easter eggs in the shop already. So I'm just going to have a bit of this. Oh. Thomas. I put Marga with the electrical tape on her head. I had to have somewhere to put it, so I've put it on her head. Not Marga, sorry Marga. Marlena. Well, they got the same face mould, so she's got electrical tape on her head. I need it for my computer lead. It's cracked at another place now. It's probably why I have to use it at my friend's house, and it gets jammed between the door. So I have to keep putting electrical tape around it now, I suppose. Here's the Revlon lip gloss. At least it gives a nice colour.